Now let us talk about external debts. What do we mean by the term debts? Debts mean the borrowings that we do, the money that we borrow. Borrowing can be in many ways. It can be in the form of loans that we take, or it may be that somebody helps us by giving us grants. Now, when we borrow from a foreign country, it is called as external debts. Let us talk about this debt, external debt. As I said, external debt or external assistance is of two types: grants and loans. Grants are the aids that are given to us, or the help that is given to us by rich nations, by developed nations, and which we do not have to return. They are like a gift to us by them. And loans are something which are to be repaid. So there are two types of external assistance that is given, that is grants and loans. 90% of the assistance that we get is in the forms of loan. Earlier, the majority of assistance that we got was in the form of grants. In 1980s, it has happened that nearly 75% of the assistance that we got was in the form of grants. And even in 1990s, nearly 25% of the assistance was in the form of grants. But slowly, with India developing and becoming self-sufficient, our grants have reduced and more of assistance that we get is in the forms of loans. Now, who gives us these loans? International bodies like IMF, International Monetary Fund, World Bank, IDA, International Development Association, US, big countries, big developed countries like USA, UK and Japan, etc. They provide us with loans. Now, earlier, as I said, too much of loans were given with the nature. The loans that are also given, they also have a part of concessional debt to it, like a part of it is not to be returned and the rest of it is to be returned. That also has come down considerably. Earlier, the loan that were given, nearly 25% of it was in the concessional form and the rest were to be repaid. Now that share has come down to 10.5%. In 2013, the loan that we got, nearly 10.5% was in the form of a concessional debt. External debt has reduced over the years. We got an external debt of 22 lakhs crore in the year March 2013. As a percentage of GDP, India's external debt was 23% in March 2013. Now the debt service ratio is the loan that you take and the interest that you have to pay to the total exports. It is said if your foreign earnings, if your total export is less than your way of returning that loan, that also reduces your viability or your strength of returning that loan, that also comes down. So our debt service ratio is also high. It is like our total exports that we do are less and the amount of money that we borrow from outside is more. So our debt service ratio is high. It is around 6%. According to international standard, it is still high. Though earlier it was way high, it was around 30%. Over the years, since our exports have increased, it has come down, but by international standard, it is still high. Debt service ratio represents a capacity of a country to serve its external debt. The kind of export that you do tells how you are going to repay or serve your external debt. So, since our export of goods has become better, it is 25% of GDP. It is still better, it has improved, but still in comparison to international standard, it is still high. In 2008, India had become, out of the 15 most indebted country, we were 8th. We stood 8th in that rank, but though earlier we were still 3rd and then we had come down to 8th, but then again, since our debt has increased, we have become the 3rd most indebted country after China and Brazil. Out of the top 15 countries, we stand 3rd as the most indebted country after China and Brazil. So, with this, we come to the end of external debt.